The Daily Bdx.
Hello friends, today is a very special day. It's the day where I introduce you to the new challenge I will do the next 30 days. It's the vlog, it's the Daily Bdx, and it's a challenge I thought about for a long time because I want to improve my creativity, I want to improve my English obviously, and I want to improve my editing skills and the editing skills of my team. Shout out Toby and Simon. So we're doing the challenge, 30 days, 30 videos, 30 times the Daily Bdx, and today we're in Berlin and we're here at the Teufelsberg, and let's explore this cool thing.
Putt, pass in a minute. Circle with my boys, roll the weed and this is it. Line up the streets like a forest fire, we're smoking the bear hat. Preacher try to top it, we ain't really trying to hear that. It's a little change, and now you're cold-blooded. Every time I try to talk, you're only trying to get blunted. I remember back then.
This was actually the former US listening station during the Cold War, and before this, under this man-made hill, there was a Nazi college for providing the troops and everything, so a lot of history in here. Yeah, nice. Let's go on. This used to be a door. Seems like everything is locked, and I read it online already, but I still wanted to try it. It's a shutdown of this main building by the government, but I have an idea. My friend Guido Kunze, he has some drone footage, and so I can show you guys how it looks from above. Watch this. Okay, fuck this. Let's just sneak in on another night. But wait. See you guys tomorrow. We have 29 days left and it's a daily vlog. So subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell and everything. Thank you guys for your support. Cheers, bye.